Here is how to fix a Snapchat device ban. So first, you need to go ahead and try updating Snapchat from your App Store or Play Store, whichever device you're using. Search for Snapchat in the search bar. And if you see an update button that is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Open your settings, then scroll all the way down and go to General Management option. Here select Date and Time and make sure that the toggle for automatic date and time zone are on. Search for Snapchat application. If you're using iPhone, you need to go to Settings, then go to General, then select iPhone Storage, find Snapchat and tap on Upload app and then reinstall it. On Android, you can go to Apps, search for Snapchat, then scroll down, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache, and also select Clear Data, but make sure that this will delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. If that does not work, you can open a web browser and go to help.snapchat.com. Find the support page and open the support form and enter your username, email, and your phone number as well and describe your issue and tap on submit. Snapchat should contact you within 24 to 48 hours. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.